Hi friends, welcome to IAS with Santosh. Guys, one query which I get often, sir, I am taking this test series, this open mock test here in this institute, but the option elimination tricks which you are sharing are not working in those test series. Guys, remember one thing, option elimination tricks will only work when the question itself is framed using this option elimination tricks. Guys, in UPSC, questions are deliberately framed to help aspirant to use this option elimination trick to get the answer. Guys, UPSC is not looking for bookworms. UPSC is not looking for people who have a lot of knowledge. Guys, in today's world, everything is on Google. What we need smart people who have a keen sense of observation. We need smart people who have a keen sense of observation, and that what differentiate a successful person and an unsuccessful person. Successful person can see a trend and they can see a pattern and they can apply and they can find a solution. Whereas people who are not very smart, they fail to study the pattern, they fail to have a keen observation. That is what we need in UPSC. What we need is, we need a knowledge. I'm not saying that knowledge is not needed. Knowledge is needed, but more than that, a keen observation skills are needed. Smartness is needed. And today I'm going to show you in few of the questions in the prelims 2022 how UPSC is deliberately framing options. This is there to help you understand what is going in the mind of the paper setter, because once you understand what is going in the mind of paper setter, then you can get 1 or 2 bonus marks also. Guys, many of you are saying, sir, how many questions can we solve using option elimination trick in the UPSC prelims examination? Guys, there is no fixed number. There is no fixed number. It depends on your observation skills. Again, I repeat, it depends on your observation skills. If you are very high, if you have a very high concentration, very high observation skills, and you know all these tricks which I have been teaching you, then definitely you will have 1 or 2 question bonus over other aspirants. So guys, let me just show you one question which came in the UPSC prelims examination 2022, and let me just show you how UPSC frames the question. Please have an open mind. Again I repeat, please have an open mind when I say this. If you have a closed mindset, many of you are having a very closed mindset. Closed mindset means, how it is illogical. Someone is saying they're just discarding it, saying it illogical. But guys, I'm telling you, they are deliberately framing questions using these tricks. So let us read this question. Which one of the following statements best describes polar code? Which of the following statements best describes polar code? Guys, you can see this question. First statement says that it is an international code of safety. It is an international code of safety for ships operating in ships operating in polar waters. So it is an international code of safety. Next statement, you see, next option says that it is an agreement of countries around the North Pole regarding the demarcation of the territories in the polar region. You see here, first it says that it is an agreement of the countries around the North Pole about what? Demarcation of territories in the polar region. You can see here it uses North Pole and then here it uses polar region. So obviously this option will be incorrect. Option will be incorrect. Guys, third, you see, it is a set of norms. It is a set of norms to be followed by countries whose scientists undertake research studies in North Pole and South Pole. In North Pole and South Pole. Guys, I have been telling you, generally whenever UPSC will frame statements where it will use and, generally it is deliberately trying to, it could have just like written here polar regions, but it is writing North Pole and South Pole. This clearly indicates that this option is also high chances of getting incorrect. Third statement, you see, it is a trade and security agreement of the member countries in the Arctic Council. Guys, here also you see trade and security, and trade and security. Generally whenever compound sentences they make and they add, generally those statements are also incorrect. And guys, one more observation, which you can see here, guys, the word code is always used in the first option, is only used in the first option, okay, which is International Code of Safety. Here you see they have used the word agreement, here they have used norm, here they have used the word again agreement. You can see the code is already only used in one statement, in framing one statement. Guys, to confuse you, UPSC could have also written here a set of code to be followed, okay, here, but UPSC are writing norms. Why? See, it wants to help you and it wants to make your life very easy if you want it to be easy, okay. Many will discard this saying that what is this, there is no trick at all, there is no trick at all. But if you are willing to learn, see, in UPSC prelims examination, okay, there is no marks for, okay, extra marks for, okay, knowing that, okay, you have solved this using your knowledge, or you have solved this using your elimination tricks, you have solved this using some common sense. There is no extra marks for that. Just remember this, there is only marks for getting the right answer. How you have got the right answer, it does not matter in the prelims examination. It matters a lot for the mains examination, because here you have to write and explain your answer in an analytical manner. But in the prelims examination, you have to just get the answers. And if you learn the skill, how UPSC is framing the options, you can see here again, okay, just briefly you can see here, code, polar code, only polar code, word code is written only in the first option, other options not, code is not written. And you see they are integrating two things, okay, and they are making the statements very complex. You can see here, okay, you can see here South Pole and North Pole, norms written here, you can see here agreement written here, and North Pole and polar regions, there is no harmony. See, options, okay, should have harmony. Whenever there is breakage of harmony, always reject that option, because, okay, it is deliberately framed option, that is a deliberately framed option which is an incorrect option, okay. So this was an observation which I made, and I'll show you one more question, and with that things will become very clear, okay. You see this question has come, okay, which of the following best describes greenwashing? Although this was directly from our Optima notes last year. Guys, for environment, read Optima notes, you don't need anything else than Optima notes. For science, tech also, and for economy also, no need to go beyond Optima notes, they are very comprehensive, okay. Let us read this question, okay. Which of the following describes greenwashing? Okay, conveying a false impression that companies' products are eco-friendly and environmentally sound, okay. This means what? Basically a kind of a hiding, okay, okay. It wants to say that hiding that the company, okay, the company's product, okay, they are polluting, they are environmentally unsustainable, okay, they are dangerous to environment, we have to hide that, okay, because they are creating a false impression. False impression means hiding, okay. Then non-inclusion of ecologically environmental cost in the annual financial statement of a company, okay. This is close to this, okay. Ignoring the disastrous ecological consequences while undertaking the infrastructure development, okay. Making mandatory provisions for environmental cost in the government projects, okay. So guys, obviously, see here the word, if you see the word carefully, washing, okay, washing. Guys, we already know there is a similar word called money laundering. Money laundering. What is money laundering? Again, here also hiding. Okay, hiding. Laundry means cleaning. Okay. What do we hide here? Hiding the black money sources. Okay. Making black money into clean money. Making black money into clean money through what? Money laundering. So laundering word, okay, or cleaning word, generally it is used in a negative connotation. For hiding, okay, for hiding things, okay, creating a false impression, okay. So I'm not saying that, okay, you should, okay, solve like this every question. No, guys, there are at least in UPSC 10 to 20 questions where you do not have any clue, okay. Generally this greenwashing was not covered in many of the current affairs, although it was covered in Optima, okay. So But suppose you are not reading Optima, you are reading some other coaching institute's material, then also you can apply logic and you can solve the answer. You can solve the answer, you can get the answer. Why? Because see, greenwashing, washing will always be a negative connotation word. Okay, why? See, money laundering, okay, it's like a money cleaning, okay, money washing. Laundry is what? Cleaning clothes. Laundry is what? Cleaning clothes. Okay, so here also greenwashing. So it has a negative connotation, hiding things, creating a false impression. That is what is this. So guys, okay, therefore I say everyone, okay, guys, UPSC prelims examination is all about, okay, science. It's all about science. Okay, tricks are science because they're always applicable if you have, okay, all the complete knowledge of these tricks. Okay, and you should have a keen observation skills also. You will definitely, okay, you will succeed. Okay, definitely succeed in the prelims examination because, okay, if you start solving questions like this, at least I'm telling you 5 to 10 questions you can solve more than your usual attempt. Okay, and I'm telling you, most of the serious candidates, they are scoring between 70 to 80 marks. Most of the serious aspirants are scoring between 70 to 80 marks. Today morning also one student called me and said, sir, this is my 4th attempt and last 3 attempts I have failed to crack prelims examination. When I asked her, what is your marks? She is saying, sir, first attempt it was low, it was somewhere around 60, but second and third attempt I am scoring around 75 to 80 marks. Just imagine, lot of effort also you put, but you are still stuck at 75 to 80 marks because after 75 and 80 marks, it is not the game of knowledge. It is more of a game of what? It is game of a optional elimination tricks. It is game of, okay, important themes, important topics. See, many people who have access to important topics. Okay, so guys, let me just tell you, I have prepared an entire, okay, tricks, okay, in a webinar. Okay, you can watch that webinar. And one more thing I would like to tell you is that I have, okay, prepared important questions. Okay, and on important topics. Okay, on important topics for prelims 2023. Okay, please attempt these questions. Please attempt this question. You will have 2 benefits. One is all these topic or questions are on important topics which have high chances to come in exam. And second, okay, in these tests, okay, at least 10% of the question, okay, you can apply optional elimination. Okay, so the main, okay, the main optional elimination, the main thing which many students are saying, sir, we are taking tests but we are not able to apply optional elimination trick. So guys, this test is the only test in the country where you can apply optional elimination trick. That will give you confidence. So thank you guys. Please do like this video and please do go through these questions. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.